Verasity is and did make the breakout that I pretty much spoke about in my Twitter or on my X. So this is the VRA analysis that I did yesterday. I said clear bullish triangle pattern forming with a strong support at 0.005. RSI was also showing a bullish divergence, and this was a triangle that VRA was actually in, and I did mention that VRA could break out of here anytime, and this is the exact breakout that we actually saw. If you actually took a 10x trade at the breakout, you actually would have been up 200%, believe it or not. Now, I know some people did take a 20x, 30x leverage. Doesn't matter. You guys are probably making some money right now. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if we do consolidate right here. You guys can see right here that on the stochastic RSI, we are slightly bit oversold, and we know historically what happens when we are oversold. We usually pull back. Now, it doesn't have to be the biggest pullback, but I'm assuming that we're going to have some sort of consolidation or pullback pattern right here, the same way we pretty much saw until we became oversold, or at least coming back at least to the 50 regular RSI right there, or stochastic RSI. We're going to be talking about Bitcoin also, because Bitcoin is king and Bitcoin is the leader. We know whatever happens to, Bitcoin, most of the time, that's what altcoins do. Now, obviously, it hasn't been like that because we are currently in an altcoin season. You guys can see right here that the Bitcoin dominance is currently dropping, hence why a lot of these altcoins that you are seeing right now are pumping, and Verasity's pumping, XRP. A lot of these altcoins are really making moves, and something that I really want to talk about is probably this right here. Now, the weekly on Bitcoin is looking super bullish right here. If I have a look at the Bollinger Bands and the EMA ribbon, you guys can see right here that pretty much every time we come and retest these exponential moving average, we usually bounce back up. So the big question is, will Bitcoin bounce back up? Are we going to see more money flowing into Bitcoin in the next couple of weeks, or will Bitcoin finally come below these exponential moving average or below these Bollinger Bands for the first time since December 2022? So it's been almost a year, guys. We haven't been trending below this, or even more than that, January 2023. So 2 years, guys. 2 years, sorry, that Bitcoin has been trending towards the top, and obviously it's been, it's been quite the amount. I mean, 700 days. That's 2 exact years that Bitcoin pretty much has been trending above these EMA ribbons. And in order for us to really see an altcoin season, we need to see the Bitcoin dominance coming back down the same way we saw it in the last bull market, coming from 62% all the way down to 40%. So that's that. Now, of course, we have a look at VRA. VRA has been performing pretty well. This is VRA on the 15 minutes. So yes, I did have a look at VRA in the 4 hour, but in the 4 hour, this, whatever you guys see over here, is actually this zoomed in on the 15-minute time frame. Now, obviously, we're gonna have these consolidations when we pump, right? And in my opinion, we're most likely gonna see another breakout on Verasity. So my trade for Verasity is, if we potentially break out and close on the 15-minute time frame right here, we're most likely gonna see a move to 0.075, the same way I pretty much predicted right here. So that was the triangle breakout right here, 0.0065 to 0.007. We should see a breakout right here. We already reached actually the 0.065, and right now it's only a matter of time before we break out of the zone again and reach higher targets from here. So that's pretty much that. By the way, if you guys do want to join my Discord, this is my general chat. I have a trading chat, meme chat. If you guys are interested in other cryptos, we're a pretty nice group, and we pretty much share the trading PNLs right here. And I also have a Patreon. So if you're a trader and you're interested in trading on, or even joining my Patreon, there's gold, diamond, and of course, I give Bitcoin daily analysis, weekly lessons, and you even have a cigar lounge if you guys are interested. If you guys are interested in betting, I got a sports bar as well. Come introduce yourself. This Discord is literally 48 hours old, so it's very new, and we already have 110 people in here. So if you guys want to join, the Discord is free. If you join my Patreon, you would pretty much get access to the gold or diamond, depending on which one you essentially get, and pretty much that's about it. So the link will be down in the description below. And of course, if you guys want to follow my Twitter, I do post a lot on Twitter about Verasity and KDA and a lot of these other cryptocurrencies. So if you guys do want to essentially join that, feel free to essentially do so. So that is my quick video, guys, on Verasity overall. Nothing too crazy to talk about today. Verasity is up 15%. Verasity is up, 15%. We did peak at 20% overall. The daily is looking good. You guys can see right here, looking a little bit overbought, I'm not gonna lie, but in a bull market, I mean, these things don't really matter, because if I have a look right here at Verasity on the monthly time frame, you guys can see right here that, look at that. I mean, look at the stochastic RSI. It looks like it's ready to pump. It looks like we're getting ready for the next move, and pretty much that's about it. The weekly candle, or the monthly candle I should say, is a very, very bullish candle. It does close in 4 hours and 55 minutes, which is extremely bullish. So pretty much this whole downward trend that Verasity did in the past, I would say 6-7 months, is pretty much all exploding in one candle, which is extremely bullish. And you guys have no complaints because you had so much time to pretty much accumulate in this zone right here, up 177% so far. And this is just the beginning. If you guys do like